How to clean air fryer. Method number 1. Cleaning a deep fryer. Clean your deep fryer as needed. Unplug the deep fryer and let cool completely. Drain the oil. Take the frying basket out and put it in the sink. Wipe off remaining oil from the pot and lid. Wipe the deep fryer's heating element clean if necessary. Use a soft sponge to scrub with dish soap. Fill the fryer with hot water. Run warm water over the frying basket and clean it by wiping back and forth. Clean or replace dirty filters on the fryer lid. Return to the cooking pot and give it a final dish. Use baking soda if cake on oil remains. Rinse the cooking pot. Let dry completely. Blotting with paper towel with speed up drying before using again. Method number 2. Maintaining a commercial deep fryer. Clean regularly. Filter and replace the oil frequently, especially if used to fry food like fish and meat. Brush the heating coils clean whenever the oil is drained. Keep the exterior clean. Perform a thorough boil out clean every 3 to 6 months. Follow the owner's manual to conduct an annual inspection.